Greetings, greetings. It's time for me to work on my game again. So I'm working on my least favorite part of development, which is, monetization matters, advertisement, IAP, stuff like that. Oh hey, Judge Judy Slayer. Thanks for the follow. Okay. Just working on the sponsor message object. This object is supposed to just render a string to the screen, says a message from our sponsor. This particular string here is currently hard-coded in, but I will have to retrieve the string from a data file, from a text file later on. You, Captain Blade. Hello, how's it going? Are you ready? Are you done with your build? Your new build? What I'm doing well? Yeah, I kind of just finished all of the grading, so I'm in a good mood. Thanks for asking, man. How about you? How's it going? Too lazy to upload. Oh damn. Draw set alpha. Reset it back to 1. There we go. You're gonna upload it after you're done with some work. Cool. It's basically the same thing. You just added a sign saying shop, so people don't miss the shop. Right. I'll probably keep the stream short today because of the nature of the ads. There's not a lot I can test on stream. I might do some polishing though. Let's see. You added an item for the boss because rewards and stuff. Right, and I have yet to actually fight the boss proper, right? In the version I got, I can kill the boss in one hit. Okay, so it should trigger event. This thing should trigger an event. Let me just trigger an event. I'll make use of the alarms. I don't really use it a lot, but I think for something simple like this, I can make use of the alarm. Let's do a 2 second, 1 second, 2 second alarm then, I guess. You lowered the boss HP to kill it quickly and test out, but you forgot to increase it back again. I see. That happens. I have to slowly get back into the flow, because I need to prepare for release. It's always a little bit nerve-wracking when your game approaches release. it's always a little bit nerve-wracking because there's so many things that can go wrong during release time. And worst case scenario is sometimes, right, the things that happens is not even within your control. I remember when we released Space Jack on the PlayStation, on the day of release, your game is supposed to appear in the storefront, right? When you browse for the games on your PS4, it's supposed to see your game in the store. But for some reason, I think in certain regions our game doesn't show up, so that was a big problem. Right, I heard that even on Steam, right, stuff like this can happen. Even though you only ever release one game ever. Is it the no internet, or do you have another project beforehand? Yeah, releasing game is pretty stressful. No matter the scope of your game, it's always a little bit stressful. Let's trigger an event here. We are working on something small on the side of the current project that will hopefully be worked on more once we finish the prototype stuff. Ah, cool! Cool. Do you mind sharing what it is? It's a top-down shooter roguelike thing. Ah. Oh, I think you might have shown a GIF before, right? On the Discord server. I think I want to refactor this a little bit. Can I do that? Pretty small is good. Small is good. Guns Ghost Brew, yeah. Small is good. Yeah, I think I'll write something here. Notify via message, I guess. It's like I don't want to call the new. I know this is like pretty bad design. What I have here, it's like the way I name this parameter is a bit confusing. It's call it like this, message object. Go. Message. Because I don't want to keep calling new so many times. To make some changes to one of my function. So many dev streaming. Really? Just a few. Ah, I see. Doing this so new is only called once. Only called once per function call. Oh, wait a second. I did something wrong. Yeah. A few that you know of at least. Right, right. Are they all GameMaker devs? It's a bit hard to find GameMaker developers on Twitch. I'm trying to keep an eye out for them. I got it. Oh, does this work? I hope this works. I think Amanda's streaming Final Fantasy. I was there earlier. Okay, let's take a look at this. Everything still works, so that's good. Showing ads. Good. Good, good, good. Seems to work. Okay, so I'm just testing the ad controller. I'm just making sure that everything is working properly. So the ad controller is receiving the show interstitial ad event, which is good. It's receiving this message, it means that it should work properly. Wait, when do I know if the ads is closed? Oh, I forgot how to do that. Let me see. Should be something for that. Let's check the ad controller. So there should be a callback function for that, is he? On interstitial close, that is the one. On interstitial close, I need to throw an event out. fine. So you know what? I feel like I need to toss this thing, right? I need to toss this somewhere else, not inside the game manager. Where can I toss this? Maybe I'll just toss it in like init or something. Some of these functions I don't even need anymore, right? I used to have a grass object to make swaying grass, but I didn't use it. Don't see myself using it as well. Close interstitial in this event as well. Right, then I'll go back to my add controller. Right, I'll go to where the callback function is here on interstitial close. Right here, I will fire the event. I'll fire this event. There you go. How's that? So once this event is fired, someone will have to receive it. I guess the add controller will receive it. Show message. Let's only do this on PC. Yeah, there we go. On Windows, I guess. I'll have to remove this later on anyways. Okay, what else? Let me get a drink of water first. Stay hydrated. Yeah! Hello team. Team trademark. Greetings! Greetings! I'm just here working on my one-button platformer. Yeah, I'm at a stage where I'm just working on the most boring part of development. Only the monetization. Just a moment. Yeah, so that means I'm fairly close to the end of the project. I would say like I'm 90% on my way to version 1.0. Yeah, but the last 10% takes forever. So my current implementation is if I beat 9 levels, one ad will pop up. But it's all just testing, right? There's no real ads at the moment. Let's see. You love the art style, especially the little animation. Hey, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thanks for your kind words. Yeah, I'm trying to keep this as minimalist as possible. Okay, let's see. I'm not done with all 9 levels yet apparently. Just do this. Okay, this is the last level of the first world. 2, 3. Okay. Hey, thanks for the follow. Thank you. Okay, so at this point, if I press next, it's supposed to trigger the ad event. Okay, so it did trigger it. And then it says showing ad. And I click OK, it's supposed to trigger another event, but oh yeah, I've yet to handle that event, that's right. Let me turn this back to 1. Yeah, I forgot to handle the event, it's empty here. So wait a second, how am I supposed to... So what's going to happen is I'm supposed to resume back to the game. I forgot where I control that. It should be in the game manager. I forgot where I control the thing. Is it here? Is it here? Oh, right. Right. I have a... Then call back here. Let's see. Target room, there we go. Target room. Let me think. Oh, that's not good. Because the moment I go into this ads room, target room will be wiped out from memory because game manager apparently is not persistent. This game manager only is meant for the game levels only, nothing outside of it. How should I code this? Wow, this music is pretty intense. What is this? Sapphire. Okay, I need to think about this for a bit. I guess I can store like target room in a global variable as a quick hack. Suppose I can do that. Oh, I can pass it? Let me think. I was gonna say I can pass it to... I can pass that target room around via the messages. So... Hey! It's the Lord of Shmups. Hello, Lord Shmup. Let me give you a shout out. Happy Monday, yeah! Happy Monday to you too. How am I? Yeah, I'm doing good, I just got done with like a whole bunch of my part-time work, so now I can finally get back to working on my game. How's everything? How's life treating you? Oh, game dev's going well. Yeah, it's going okay. I'm in the final 90. No, I'm in the final 10% of development. It's the part of development that seems to go on forever. The final 10%. It's good you have today off. Oh, that's great. That's great. Nothing beats having Monday off because we have a long weekend, right? Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Wow. You enjoyed my video talking about game dev? Hey, thank you. Thanks. Yeah, I saw your comment. Thanks so much. Thank you so much. Yeah, I thought I will, I will just write down some of my experiences and share it on my YouTube channel. As a way to practice talking, because I'm not very good at talking or expressing myself. So I thought I would try and practice it. It's also nice to like document, our process, right, when we work. Yeah, so I thought I would try that. Yeah, thanks, man. Is that video on YouTube? Oh yes, it is. I can paste you the link. Let me see if I can find it. It was a post-mortem for my last project. Let me see. Where is it? I found it. There you go. It's a post-mortem. It talks about what went right and wrong during development. Thank you for the interest. Now I have to fix this problem. How do I fix this? Only for free on the Apple App Store or a few bucks on the eShop? Thanks, man. Yeah, that was my first attempt at developing on the Switch, or rather porting a game to the Switch. That was fun. Well, to be honest, like the bulk of the work is already done through by a game maker. The game maker makes it easy to port. But it was still a fun experience. Like I realized there are certain things that how do I put it? There are certain things on the Switch that isn't really obvious to me until I started developing for it, and that's the font size. So the text, when testing the game on PC, right, the size of the text seems okay, but the moment you play it in handheld mode on the Switch, everything just appears so small. Yeah, and it turns out that within the the code itself, the functions that is provided to us, you can actually check if the Switch is in the dock mode or not. So if it's in the dock mode, if it is undocked, meaning it's in handheld mode, I have to actually scale up the text so that it's more readable. It's like tiny details like this that just isn't obvious, that wasn't obvious to me until I actually started developing for it. Sounds like a difficult balance. Yeah. It's a lot like media queries on the web. Ah, right. Are you a web developer? Media queries, that's the responsive web design thingy, right? I'm not super familiar with web technologies as a whole. Ah, I see. Nice, 33 points. You can do stuff like this with the points. NANI? I don't get why there's like double audio. Oh, I'm sorry, Joffer. there's a cooldown. Hey Joffer, how's it going, man? How's your game coming along? Ah, I think I know what I can do. There we go. I know what I can do. Going to pack the next level into the message as I trigger it. Slowly. It looks good, man. I like that, you know, that lo-fi first-person look. I really like it. Next. O_game manager. So I'm making an assumption here. I'm assuming the game manager is always around. Which is fine. I think it's always around here when this object is present. Level transition. Wait a second. It is. Is it? Yeah, it is. It is present. It is present. I forgot what the variable name is. Target room. There we go. So there's a little bit of ugliness here because I'm referencing another object, but it should be fine. It's a moment, eh? Target room. I think I got it. So let me go back to. Wait, what's the name of the thing? Nix. Let's call it Nix room. Okay. App controller. Here, when I receive this message, I will store it's inside this parameter. Wait. Oh damn, I forgot all of my variable names. Hang on. Parameters, there we go. I will come back to this later. Let me just store it here. There we go. Oops. There we go. Hello Ken! Hello Ken. How's your game jam? 4 hours of sleep last night, but it's oh my god, 4 hours. I better get more rest, man. Ah, yes, please link it here. We'll love to check it out. Yeah, man. We are all interested. Keep track of which room to go to after ad display. There you go. I hope this is correct. This better be correct. Okay. Just be merciful. Okay, you like feedback? Okay, let me download it. Hades versus Satan. Yeah, it's game playing session. Let me just take a look. Just a moment, eh? Can I resize it? Just a moment. Okay, I guess I have to press alternate enter. Eh? Ah, I see. Oh damn, can I bring it here to this screen? It only wants to display on my main monitor. Just a moment. Let me lower the volume a little. Yeah, I think it's a GameMaker limitation. It seems to only like the main display for some reason. It's okay, I'll just play on my main monitor and give you feedback. Hang on, eh? Left is A, right is D. Oops. A, D, W is jump, spacebar is to fire, got it. Let me just alternate enter. Oh no, I'm dead already. Oh, I see. I see my fire doesn't work on them. Doesn't work on them. So far so good. Damn, I got greedy. I got greedy because I wanted to collect every coin. I fell off a pitfall. I fell into a pitfall. I definitely like the speed. I love the speed. Alright, coin equals to 7. Fireball actually works. Oh. I see. Extra life. They seem particularly hard to kill though. Oh, I finally killed one. Oh my god. What's that? Oh, this is difficult. Woo! Woo! Okay, third level. The third level. Oh my freaking goodness! No! Oh, you know what? I might be able to show it. Hang on. Bum 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 bum. Game capture, come on, game capture. Does it work? Is it working? Eh? Why is it not working? Yeah, it's all black. Eh? Capture any full screen application. There you go. Is it working? No, it's not. Damn, it's not working. Let me try do an alternate enter. It's not cooperating. Damn. Okay, it's okay. Just a moment, let me resume this part. So many of them. Oh my god. Oh my god, is that a boss? I'm not entirely sure where to hit. Oh, there's a eat spot? Okay, okay. Let me look for it. I think I found it, I found it, I found it. Damn it! Ouch. Let's go. Oh! Is it dead? Woo! You win! Nice work! You killed Zeus and now confronts Satan for his evil ways. Final score. Let's see, 100,000 and 1,140. Cool. Cool, that's a complete package right there. Thanks for sharing, man. Thanks for sharing. I like it. I like it. I like the speed. But I do find that there may be a little bit of a lack of visual feedback. Like so, I didn't know that you can actually hurt those spiky things because the the projectile just kind of disappear when it hits them. So maybe a little bit of feedback would communicate that the projectile is actually doing something. You wonder if you should make a real project out of that idea eventually. Why not? Why not? Hmm. If possible, having variable jump height might also help. Because it seems like your game has requires the player to be fairly precise, right? So having more control over jump height might also help. I think. It's cool, man. It's cool. Thanks for sharing. That's a complete package. Okay, this part is not done yet. Eh? Oh damn, it's not working. Just bought Serious Scramblers on Steam. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. You're too kind. Thank you so much. Variable jump height is one of those features that you wanted but couldn't make time for. Right. It would certainly be in the real game if you make it, along with lots of other mechanics. Awesome. It sounds great, man. Also, thanks again, Tim. Thank you so much. Right, let me get a drink of water. Okay, I just need to fix one small thing. I'll probably keep the stream like not too long today. I'll keep it short. Maybe in half an hour more I will be going. But let's see if I can fix this problem. If you intend to release it as a a proper a commercial project, like what other ideas do you have for it? Like how do you intend to expand upon it? Eh? Oh, I don't have a close event. All right. Damn it. First biggest one is different graphics. You can't do pixel art. Ah, right. Your palette choice is pretty nice though. Your palette choice. You know that reddish look. You originally wanted minimum 9 levels to coincide with 9 circles of hell. Ah, I see. Right, so on PC there's no way for me to trigger. I have to trigger this manually on PC. Right. Right. Okay then, I'll just... Oops. For testing purpose, this code here will not execute on mobile. You wanted to have enemies fitting the level theme, like feather demons for the gluttony stage. Ah, right, the different scenes. You wanted some classic platforming mechanics as well, like springs, breakable blocks, slopes, and others. I see. There's supposed to be some nice final confrontation with Satan. You had wanted to fight Satan first, then fight Zeus, who kinda stops you from finishing off Satan. Finally fight them together at the same time. Epic. If you say you're not doing pixel art, how do you intend to handle the artwork? Are you going to model them in 3D? Because that was what you did for your shmup title, right? Those are great ideas. I look forward to seeing the final product. You either do a full 3D rendering or pre-render from models like you're doing with your current project. Right. Ah, right. Oh damn, what's that? Dead Cells, right? Yeah. For a moment I forgot the name of the game. Okay, let me try this again. Let's see if it works. Oh yeah, I should give you a follow on each. Hang on. Firehammer Games. Excuse me. Is that your game development name? Firehammer. Oh, my art style from Serious Scramblers thumbnail. The thumbnail is not my art. You're talking about the icon artwork, right? That one I had to commission a friend to do it. So maybe you can reach out to her. Let me give you her contact. Hang on, let me see. Just a moment. Victoria. Is there a way to contact her easily? Let me think. She might be easier to contact on Tumblr. You may very well make it a full product eventually. I gotta finish this current project first. Alright, man. I look forward to it. I don't think she's got a Discord, to be honest. I contact her through Facebook because like we're friends, but I don't think... Ah, there we go. ArtStation. There we go. You're talking about this thumbnail, right? This icons, right? She did this icons for me. I commissioned her to do... Oh, that scared me. Hello, Amanda. Hello, Amanda. You gave me a fright. Grumpy Boy senses. What the? Why is Jonathan here? Looks like vector art. Ah. Yeah, but it's not. It's Victoria drew this in Photoshop. Yeah, for a time I was asking her, is it possible if you do like a pixel art variation, because my game is pixel art, right? So I thought like it would fit the style more, but eventually we went back to this. So this is the draft. So if you want to draw like this, I would suggest you contact her. Wait a second, there's no way to contact people here? Shh. Oh wait, she's got Twitter, right? Let me... No, I think she's far more active on Tumblr. I'll tell you what, team. I'll talk to Victoria and then, maybe I can get like a contact, and the next time I see you, I'll pass it. Excuse me. I'll pass it to you. I'll pass her contact info to you. Hey Amanda, we have brought in Jono. Why is Jono in there? Let me just shout you out. It's probably better for non-game art to be a different style actually. It makes it clear that what the game looks like and what is just promotional. Ah, I see what you mean. So I guess in my case it did work out. In fact, for Jam Jaboa for this game, I'm going to commission her again to draw the game icon for this game. So the funny thing is, my game character looks like this, right? In the game, it's like super bloody tiny. So I wondered how it will look like as a game icon. Like, it can go in many directions, right? You know, if I ask her to just, you know, turn it into a non-pixel art icon. Hey, no worries, team. Yeah, I'll talk to Victoria after this, and then yeah, I will ask her like what's the best way to contact her. Okay, let's see. Finish your game jam entry last night. You did look at that sound music stuff. Right. Music was a bit too happy. Right. Doesn't fit the theme. So what's John doing tonight? Hey John, are you still here? Okay, let's test this out. Coding a bit, alright man. Coding your game. Pow pow. A message from our sponsor. Go back. Go to the next one. Yes! It's working. Okay, good. But what if I test it on the final level? Will it break? Please don't break. Please do not break. Please do not break. Ah, good. Ah, good. I think I'm done. I guess I can work on this a little bit more. What else can I do? Reading up about owls. What? Owls? Owls. Everyone is fond of owls. Owls. How close do I feel percentage-wise? You mean in terms of development? How close am I to finishing the game? How close am I to finishing the game? I feel like I'm stuck at 90%. Wait, let me think. Yeah, I would say like somewhere between 90 to 95% is where I'm currently at. But in terms of the game levels, right, I'm all done. I'm just doing minor tweaking. So just earlier this afternoon, John commented on like one of my levels in the later world, right? That is a little bit frustrating, so I tweak it a bit. So stuff like that, it's just tweaking. But the bulk of the new things I need to code, right, has to do with monetization and in-app purchases. Yeah, but in-app purchase just means, you know, if you want to get rid of the ads, you can pay a little bit to get rid of it. I am also told that I should probably add something special to the in-app purchase, you know, to justify or to entice people into actually getting the IAP. So I might actually have to add something like maybe a new skin, a new character, maybe. So all of that accounts for like the final 5 to 10%. What is Froggo mode? You heard the saying, the last 10% takes 90% of the time. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, the first 99% is done, just left with the remaining 99%. Yeah, I know, right? Of course, the last 10% also includes like doing the localization, which I've yet to do, and I have just recently reached out to Victoria again, right? So we are like frequent collaborators. So she helped me drew the promotional artwork for Serious Scramblers. Now I'm getting her again. So we still have to work out, you know, like what's her rates and all this stuff. So that's also part of the final 10%. Yeah. So it's not just like purely development work. It's also stuff like, you know, talking to the relevant parties and whatnot. I'm not sure why. but you know this, my chat window, right? It always goes haywire. I think I missed out like a whole bunch of your messages. Hang on, let me look to my other laptop. Disable the auto run. You just hop. Oh. Oh, would it work smoothly in this game? Let me think. And that would be pretty cool, right? Hoppity hop. Huh. Ah, would it break the game in any ways? Hmm. You know what? I like that idea. It sounds pretty fun. But that could be like a different mode rather than something that is behind a paywall, I think. Frog mode. Froggy mode would be it's actually interesting. Froggy mode. Thanks, man. Thanks for the idea. Froggy mode. Paywall your love. What is my love in the context of Jamjobo? Ah! There we go. So I think I got this part done. Obviously, a message is not, the ads is not supposed to pop up every single run. That would be crazy frequent. So I need to turn it back down. Let's see, turn it back to 9. Still need to do analytics. Hey, no problem. It's because I'm interested in checking out your work. Just the default position of hating all those who don't pay. You know the Flash game development scene. A lot of those Flash game developers they have moved on to mobile. I feel like the mobile scene is now the Flash game development scene. It feels that way to me. Because like HTML5 games hasn't really taken off, right? Like it's still not not particularly popular. At least not when you compare it to like Flash. You can see where the idea comes from, yeah. Oh, is Amanda banning bots? Thanks, Amanda. It makes sense. It's a lot more accessible than a computer and browser games. And wait, they're more accessible than a computer and browser games were the accessible games before phones could really play anything. You're right. You're right. You're right. You're right. Also, the thing about Flash is that Flash is, you know, before we have engines like Unity and GameMaker, Flash was very accessible, right? Even to people who don't have a lot of experience with coding. Flash was very accessible, and its interface is very like artist-centric. So you can do your art, and then you can like dump some code inside the art. Makes for a terrible time when you want to debug it, but it's very accessible to artists. You wish you got a chance to use it. Yeah, now it's kind of pointless to use it for games, to be honest, yeah. But those were the times. I used to do I used to make Flash game and sell them to web publishers. I don't make a lot from it, but it was a fun experience. It was a fun experience. You tried to update the game to Final Fantasy with the VOD, but suddenly FF doesn't exist. Only F. So what do you mean? The problem you personally had with Flash dying is that the BFXR is Flash based, right? Adobe Air was sold. It was? Oh, I didn't know that. The desktop version of BFXR uses Air. It currently still works, but if it stops, you wonder if someone is going to pick up the mantle on it. Yeah, I wonder. Guess it'll turn into some open source project, community managed. But I realize I'm not relying on BFXR as much anymore. I'm using more of oh damn, what's that name? Lapchop. Yeah, I'm using more of Lapchop now because its randomizer is pretty amazing. Your stream earlier didn't update the category to FF. Oh, I see what you mean. Lapchop works for sound generation, but BFXR is easier and has all those presets randoms. I see what you mean. Eh? But Lapchop has preset randoms as well, right? Just a moment, eh? Let me bring it up. This one, Lapchop. If you click on randomizer, there's a whole ton of presets. There you go. I show you this one very amazing preset. Hang on. Let me turn down the audio. I was quite amazed by this. So another developer by the name of Chow, he introduced this to me. You can actually do like jungle and how do you pronounce this? Ambience, whatever. Let's just randomize it. And then it will play in a bit. You hear that? It's such an organic sound from random generation. It's crazy, yeah. When I see this preset, I'm like, what the hell is that? It's crazy. You can do magic too. Magic. Let's see. I like raw. So you can do a lot of things for your bosses with raw. Where the hell is raw? Oh, there we go. Raw. Okay, that's not very fierce. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I can do this. What was the one that Chow uses for sound effects? This one, John. This one, Lapchop. This one. This is the one, Lapchop. Let me spell it out. Lapchop. So, which is the reason why I use Lapchop now, not so much BFXR. It's more 8-bit, 16-bit. Yeah, I suppose for those kind of style, yes. Yeah, I mean if you want organic sound, nothing beats taking your mic and recording it, I guess. If you are doing lo-fi pixel art, those sound gens work very well. Indeed. What was the one I used? Yes, I used another one called Chiptone, but the presets are very limited. Let me show you. So there's BFXR, which I like, Lapchop, which I like a lot, and then there's Chiptone, which, while the presets is very limited, you have the option of modifying it in a very visual and intuitive manner. Let me look for it. Where's my tools folder? There you go. Chiptone. Let me run this. Chiptone is made in Flash, it seems. I think. Is it Flash? No, it's not. I don't know. I don't think so. Anyways, you can click on some preset. Boom! Oh, I can't hear anything. Hang on. Why isn't there any sound? Oh, it's too soft. There you go. Boom, boom, boom. You can turn on arpeggio. Not Can't really hear it much. There you go, arpeggio. And then you can change the note. Aha, you can change the waves also. Let's try this. This is all very cute. Chiptune is available in your browser too. Oh, I see. For something more HD or modern style, you don't know how easily you can make those sound work. You could process them, but it's much easier to just start with something better, right? Nothing beats an actual sound designer. Celeste Sound might not have a 8-bit, 16-bit, but the art is definitely Pixar. Actual sound designer is really expensive, yeah. Hey, Guan Yu, yes, this software is called Chiptone. No, it's like BFXR, but it's more intuitive to modify it. Just turn on the wah-wah. How do I turn up the volume actually? Oh, there we go. There we go. Wow. Sorry, what am I doing, man? Let me turn this off. At this point, BFXR is the boomer sound software. It's been around for a long time, for good reasons. Yeah, I just say I use boomer software. How dare you, Guan Yu? Nah, it's alright, there's a lot of options available for us. Okay, so I think I'm done with this part. I'm told I need to okay, I need to fix one issue. Let me see. Let me just. You use it too. I have this issue that I need to fix. Okay, level 11. Let's go to level 11. This one. So I'm told, let me just shift this up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm told the effect feels weird when you just enter the door, right? Without any collectibles. It's too sudden, it feels like something bad is happening, it feels too negative rather than positive. So I need to fix it. Oh, Jofa just said something. Sorry, I missed out what you said. You got a feeling once those what's that? CBDC come in, the new market will open up and that will have a flash game style boom. Oh, what's that? What's DGIDs and CBDCs? I need to turn on the sound for this. Yeah, it's a bit too sudden. How do I solve it? How do I solve it? Guess I will just spawn some kind of an effect first. Let me bring up pixel edit. Animation, exactly. I think I will do like some frame-based animation. A simple one, a really simple one. Then yeah, I think that's all I'll need to do. Just have a slight pause with a simple animation. Spin string into the door. Spin. John is apparently still awake. Yes. I'll probably be stopping soon as well. What time is it? 122. Wait, what? No, not 122. What am I'm looking at the wrong thing. 12:54. It's almost 1 a.m. Okay. Where is my mockup? Oh, there we go. It hurts when someone else says it. You are not young anymore. Okay, let's see. Let me try this. When some kid tells you you're old. Really? Who says that? Actual kids. No, yeah, but like I didn't know you. I mean, like, is it a relative? Where's my? I used to teach, you know, like 11-year-olds. And I remember one day one of them was saying, you know, I'm old and stuff. I'm like, if you're old, then what am I? And he says, you're ancient. Brilliant. Brilliant. To anyone under 16, above 25 is old. But where I used to work, you know, to teach like little kids, those kids are really smart. And they seem very busy. It feels like the parents are putting them through a lot or something. One, two, three, four, five, six. No, that's not good. Some parents do be like that, unfortunately, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, 6. I just realized one thing, this is not centralized, is it? No, it is. It is centralized. What animation am I doing? Just some generic generic sparkly thingy. I have no idea. Let me think. Eh? Albert is streaming? Oh, cool. Let's raid him later. I will be ending pretty soon, I think. What am I doing? I guess this works. Do you think it'll look better if it's like rotated at 45 degrees? Let me see. Ah, freak. Distorted pixels. I think it might look better when... Let me think. It might look better if it's at an angle. Let me think. Okay, let me try. What's up with this song? Where's my good old chiptune? Come on. Chiptune, there we go. Love chiptunes. Love Chipzeo, man. Chipzeo, yes. Chipped of the Necro Dancer. Excuse me. Oh, I hope that wasn't too loud. Sorry about that. Yeah. Thank you. Ah! Hello, Black White Titan. Hello, Titan. How's it going? Hello, Titan. How's your gaming session? You're playing Penumbra? How was it? Two, three, four. Penumbra. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops, there you go. Pretty good. Finished Penumbra Part 3, now playing a fan game. Oh, I see. A fan game? Is it like a mod of the original game? Or is it like built from scratch? I've never actually played the Penumbra series. I've only played like I only played a single Amnesia. I played that one and then I didn't play the rest. Amnesia was very good though. Very scary. I used to have like an appetite for horror games. It's a mod of Amnesia, but it continues the story of. Oh, that's cool. Amnesia is like your favorite horror game ever. Yeah, I remember you mentioning it. It's so good. The fact that there's no combat in that, it changes a lot, I feel. How's the game dev going? It's going pretty good. Well, as usual, I'm still in the final 10% of development. At the moment, I'm like just focusing on polishing up the game and working on monetization. You know, since this is a mobile game, right, and this is meant to be free. The way I'm monetizing it is through in-app purchases and primarily advertisement. So I'm working on that. It's not like it's not a fun thing to work on, to be honest, but it has to be done. So that's where I'm at. Hopefully I'll be done with this soon, and so I can ship the game, work on the updates, and then I can work on the new project. How about you? How's the Abysmal place going? Check how this looks. I guess this is fine. They're trying to figure out the best way to add ranged combat, but it's tricky. Ah! Ranged combat, like a bow and arrow? I can like throw a javelin. Bow, I see, I see. You mentioned your game is the levels for your game is supposed to be procedurally generated, right? Like, do you have any idea how you are going to implement it? Because I'm like, personally, I'm curious. You know, as a developer, I'm curious how one would go about implementing such a system, a procedural, side-scrolling, you know, platforming kind of game. Mechanics are not too bad, the animations are going to be a problem. Ah, with the bow, I see. Oh, you actually already implemented the level generation, but it's a bit buggy. Oh, you already done it? It's cool. That's cool. Do you have any tips on how one can go about implementing, you know, procedural level generation for a side-scrolling game? It's semi-procedural. Basically the rooms and the areas are handmade, but it stitches them together and I see. Oh, that's cool. But how many rooms do you think you have to make before you know, any playthrough of the game, right, feels like it's random? Because it feels like it can be very content intensive, right? Like in terms of creating your own levels, you might have to make a lot before it starts to feel like it's random, right? A lot, yeah. A lot. Yeah. Cool, man. I look forward to playing the next build, the game. Okay, let me export this. I think after I'm done exporting, I can probably take a break. You can reuse a lot of the room tile maps and just place different decorations. Oh, I see. As well as like randomizing enemy positionings, right? I guess that could work as well. Ah. Enter door FX, for the lack of a better name. Okay, this. Each room will have spawn points, so once the level is generated, you can randomly spawn the enemies and items. Nice! Nice! John says, bedtime for real now. Good night, John. Good night. Have fun at work tomorrow. I'm also starting to feel a little bit tired. Enter the door, enter door. I need to... For my next project, I should better name and organize my assets. Okay, there we go. 20 by 20, I think. Isn't it quite late where I am? Yeah, it's 1:14 AM. But I'm sure I'm not the only one. I'm pretty sure Titan also streams pretty late. You mentioned you're based in somewhere in Southeast Asia, right? So, what time is it over at your end? One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go. 7. Guess we are all like night owls or something. You usually end up late, especially on Fridays. Yeah, it's past 1 AM now. Goodness. It's only 12:14 here. I see. Oh, so 1 hour behind us. I see. GMT plus 7 then. Your friend is in Sydney and you see that it's still streaming and it's 3:15. Goodness. I sleep late, but I should point out that I do sleep a lot. I wake up really late. I always wake up like super late. Oh, smart toweling. Let me turn this off. Sometimes it streams till like 2 to 3 hour time, which is 4 to 5 his time. Definitely not a morning person. You think some people are naturally night owls. Yeah, I agree. If you don't stay up, who is going to feed the Brumbieba? Unfortunately, you have actual in real life work to do, so you can't sleep all day. Yeah. I can relate. So when I'm doing like my part-time work, the mornings are always very difficult. Ah, goodness. The world isn't made for night owls. I'll just do a lazy implementation. He eats supper really late at night, I see. Cats, yeah? So if you ever run out of savings, you need to start doing part-time, or again you're taking night shifts. Just a moment, I need to keep track of something. Okay. Sunshong near your place. A supermarket near your place is 24/7. If you go at the time, there's practically no one. Right. Okay. You remember going into 24-hour supermarket in the UK in the middle of the night? It's kind of surreal. Do tell. Like, in what sense? It's like it's completely different from daytime. Okay, let me instance destroy. I think this is it. It's like you're in a horror movie, no one around. Except for the cashier, I guess. I guess with the what do you call that? The self-checkout counters, right? Maybe we don't even need cashiers there anymore in the future. What's that game? Rendering and ProcGen in Dead Static Drive. I have seen Dead Static Drive, I think. Yeah, it seems like it's been in development for a while, right? Oh, right. Enter the door. Talking about rendering and ProcGen, eh? Ah, my horrible state machine. Goodness. Oh, there we go. Found it. I have another object called door enter fx, and I just created the enter.fx. What am I doing? What is this? What? Oh, this is the coins, I see. Okay. Enter door animation. I'll just call it animation. There you go. Coin, no, collectible animation. You really like the art in Dead Static Drive, but the game has been in development for a long time. Yeah, I've seen it on Twitter since forever ago. It's another game, right, that aesthetically reminds me of Dead Static Drive, and that is oh crap, I forgot the name. It's published by Finji, I think. Crap, I forgot the name. It was a horror. It has this horror vibe. and it's a bit of a tactical game, tactical survivor game. Damn, what's the title again? Hang on. Indie tactical survivor game. No, I don't think I can find it by typing that. Tactical horror game. Damn, I forgot the title, goodness. I can't believe I forgot the title. You think you know what I meant? Yeah. I forgot the title. I played that one for a bit. Rolling Sky? Rolling Sky? What? Oh, sorry, I didn't realize you're talking about something else. You remember the mobile game you're talking about where you play as a red ball? I see. Sorry, I didn't see your previous message. You told me about a mobile game that you played but you don't remember. Right. Rolling Sky, right. It looks like you can't remember, but it was a good mindless fun. I see. And it's on mobile, right? I'll go look it up later. Okay, I need to check what happens. Wait, hang on. I can barely see the effects, goodness. It's because it's too fast. Okay, there we go. After a while, like most mobile games, you get bored of them. Right, a mobile game is designed to... most of the time designed to be time killers, I think. Oh wait, let me check out Finji. Finji. Indie games. There we go. I remember now. I can, if I search up their website, I should be able to find it. Alright. Is it called Overland? Yes, it is. It's called Overland. This one, there we go. I like the graphical style of this game as well. Look at that. It's quite something, isn't it? But the game itself, though, it's not really my cup of tea. It's almost like too difficult for me. The visuals, oh man, I love it. Yeah, you couldn't remember the name either. Yeah, me neither. Yeah, there we go. Overland. Overland. Not everyone is going to make it. This game is really difficult. The last time I played it. Woo, so difficult. It's almost like a puzzle game if you recall. Yeah. I think that's a pretty apt description. I need to get the center of the player, which is why I need this. How do I fix this? Just realized boy is orange and not red. Boy, are you bad at puzzle games? Me too. You found a trailer for the what? The ball game? Rolling Sky. There we go. Oh, okay. Hyper casual type of game. I see. Okay, I do not know how I should go about handling this thing. When I enter the door... When I enter the door... It's done animating. Ah. Let me check how this is implemented. No animation if no collectibles collected, got it. I think what I can do is... And... Or... No, I don't know what to do. Let me think. And instant exists. Minus fun, also frustrating at times. Right. Sounds like my type of game. Okay, let's see. Doesn't exist. It does not exist. Got it, let's try this. Oh yeah, you're right, I'm late again. Damn it, it's past 1:30. Okay, after this, once I get this done, I'll be off. See, I put all of the coins up there so I don't touch them. I just want to see if this works fine. It's a bit weird, isn't it? It's a bit weird, isn't it? Let me animate it a little bit slower. Oh, because I'm clearing the way, because I wanted to test a particular, how do I put it? I wanted to test the animation for when you walk through the door without any collectibles. Because I've gotten feedback that it's a little bit too sudden if you go through the door without any collectibles, right? There's this sudden, explosion sound, and it doesn't really sound very positive. right? The vibe that it gives is that it's you know you walk into something bad, but that's not supposed to be the case. So what I'm doing now is, oops. What I'm doing now is I'm adding a bit of the delay. What happened to the flash? What happened to the camera flash? What the hell? Where's it gone? Oh wait, it's there. It's just very faint. I guess I can live with that. I guess I can live with that. What the? What's this music? Christmas? That's too early, isn't it? Okay, I guess I can put them back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go. Oh hey, Crazy X! How's it going? I'm almost ending. How's it going? Let me give you a shout out. Joining into Christmas songs. Jingle bells. Batman smells. Robin, Leda Nick. Got this. Seems to work fine. Let me just turn off the volume. Early Christmas, man. Yeah, I think I'm done. I think I'm done with work today. I think I'm done. I think I can take a break. Galactic James, wow, haven't seen it in a while. How's it going, man? I inspired you? Really? To create your own Minecraft client. Oh, tell us more. Oh, this is why you're offline. I see. That's cool. Create your own Minecraft client. That sounds like a pretty massive project. Oh, there we go. Wow, okay, I think things are starting to work properly. Well, Galactic Chimps, if you have like if you finish anything, you can always show us. It uses clean UI, tons of mods. Can be used only with Minecraft Original. Minecraft Original is the Java version, right? And FPS booth, nice. Minecraft. And custom animations. It sounds like you have been pretty busy. Cool, man. Good for you. That's good. Actually, for TV film production music, because of how long it actually takes before a show actually airs on Christmas, libraries actually ask the composers to write Christmas music before May. Oh. Wings and hats and bandanas and shoes. I see. Custom animation. I wonder how that works. How do you mod Minecraft? Like on Luna and Bat, how do you pronounce that? Bat Lion. They are the most popular Minecraft clients. I see. I see. Actually, let me look it up. I'm not super familiar with Minecraft. I only like played a little bit of it. Let me look it up. Bat Lion client. Wow. Interesting. Interesting. You need Java Edition to use clients. Right. I do have Java Editions. I haven't gotten around to playing it. I got it because I wanted to play with some friends, but then, you know, I got busy with work. Some of these days, I'll check it out again. Okay, been getting some stuff installed in your apartment today. A new lamp and a tool board on the wall to keep daily tools easily available without clogging surfaces. Nice! You sound like a very neat person. I'm looking at my desk and I'm feeling quite ashamed. It's so messy. Here's an example, let me check. I see it. So those shoes are all custom, right? Custom made. Shoes and crowns. Everything custom. Nice. Modernizing your apartment a bit and updating it for making daily tasks easier. I feel like I make my game look really easy when I play it. It looks like yeah, I get that. I get that pretty often. Oops. Like people tend to say, people generally say that my games are fairly difficult. Oh crap, are fairly difficult. One time while participating in a game jam, I made a game that only I can play because it's too damn difficult. Ah crap, I want that last one. Hang on. Okay, there we go. But I'm trying to get better at gauging like difficulty of my game. I'm trying to make it such that it's even if it's still, I still want it to be challenging, but I don't want it to be so overwhelmingly difficult that it drives people away. So I noticed in like my last project in Serious Scramblers, which is made to be a difficult game. I realized, you know, after looking at the game analytics, that the retention rate of that game is pretty low because like people who downloaded the game on the first day, half of them just stopped playing it. after the first level, they just stopped playing it. So that was like scarily low retention. So is why for this project, right, I try to make it such that the earlier levels are all significantly easier. I have to keep in mind that this is a mobile game, and there are like a sizable portion of mobile game players who are a bit more casual. It's like the kind of games you'll get better at over time, which makes you want to play more. It looks hard but not unfair. Oh, thank you. Yeah, that makes me feel at ease. Yeah, fairness is the most important one, right? Okay, I think it's more or less fine. So tired today, got like 3 hours sleep. Goodness, you should get more sleep. Cannot collect all the collectibles because of pause. Had to get up early for the lamp installation. Are you able to go back to sleep now? Have some rest. This particular world might be problematic on my Android device. Because of the way I render the portal. I'm doing it in shader, and on my low-end device, the shader seems to be lowering the frame rate on my low-end Android phone. So I might have to look in. Oh! Okay, there we go. There we go. This level is easier if you go the opposite end. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh no! Gonna die! Damn it. Okay, let's do it again. There we go. If you had enough sleep, you maybe stream today, but you're not feeling great at the moment. Yeah, then better rest. That means there'll be issues on your low-end Android device. Probably. Probably. We'll see. The frame rate might drop a bit. Yeah, like it might run at like 40 FPS instead of 60. Oops. I need to head back up. Okay. Seems fine. I think it should be stable enough. 9 levels. 9 levels. Wait, 1 advertisement for 9 levels. Should be fine, right? Seems fine. I still have to do like rewarded ads. Goodness. So rewarded ads will come in during certain portions of the game. Like, if the player missed 1 coin, maybe I can ask them, hey, if you watch this ad, I will help you auto collect the remaining coins or something. Damn, to be honest, I really don't like to think about how to monetize. I very much prefer to just focus on, the moment-to-moment gameplay experience. Oh hey, thanks for the follow! Closer Games. Hey, thanks. Thank you for the follow. I'm just about to end, actually. But yeah, I'm working on a one-button platformer. As you can see. Right, so it's at the moment it's primarily made for mobile, and in fact I will be focusing on mobile for quite a while. But then once I'm done with all the updates, I might change the UI, right, and then bring it to PC, yeah, just for the experience. Silent Father, hello. Am I going to publish it on the Play Store? Yes, I will publish it on the Play Store. I will publish it on the Play Store and the App Store. Hopefully both on the same day, hopefully. If not, then it will be a... iOS first and then Android slightly later. Yeah, but at the moment, right, my plan is to release them both on the same day. There we go, that is 5, World 5. Let's unlock this one. Oh right, I need to, oh damn, I forgot, I need to do something here. I need to say something like coming soon or something, because the game doesn't actually end at World 10. I have yet to create the end game for Jam Jerboa. End game. I wonder what kind of a level I can make for the end game. Anyway, thanks for the interest, Silent Father. Look at all that empty space. Empty space? You mean like that? It's very different from how you when you showed me the issue, Amanda. When you showed me the issue, right? The button was all the way at the bottom, actually. Yeah, I clamp it to the center like that. Do you think it should be higher up? Maybe it should be, but that messes with this thing that I have. Damn. I don't know. Let me think about it. Okay, I think that's a good time for me to end. The issue was really long ago, but I kind of fixed it. Yeah, I only recently got to it actually. I remember you told me about it. And someone else also mentioned it. I think Devious Oatmeal told me about that also. So I have it listed somewhere in my to-do list. And you know, I slowly went through my to-do list at some point. So that was fixed. Well, quote-unquote fixed. It's not like perfectly fixed, right? Because it will be better if it's higher up. But it messes with my highlighter. Because I have this box here, right, that I implement to always highlight the button in the center. You can see that, right? You can see that thing appearing. So, because of the way I coded this, I ended up clamping the button to the center instead, somewhere here. Same for this. Same for this. Afterward, then I could probably add like coming soon. Oh yeah, that's true. That's true. Okay, I guess I will end it here then. It's a quick recap. I've been working on the add controller class, well, the add controller object that handles when to serve the ads. At the moment, of course, I on PC I don't actually get to test the ads. That one I will have to deploy on the mobile device first. Let's see. But I've been doing some like placeholder display, and that seems to work fine. Let me do another quick test. Send some pictures on Discord of the wall. Not sure where to post them, so just post it in a PM. Oh, hey, hang on. Or you can post it in random or promotion and links if you want. Let me take a look at that. Oh, very fancy. Look at that, so beautiful. So clean, it's all white. Wow, my goodness, it's so classy looking. It's amazing. Look at that, it's so clean. I'm looking at my room right now. Oh my goodness, stuff everywhere. Okay, so if I play one level, I will see this message here before resuming to the next level. So the transition is all done. Okay, good. The part is done. Okay, I think that's about it. I also did something. I also did like an additional animation here, as you can see. this animation here. Edit it when you touch the door. So yeah, that's that. That's that. Thinking of hanging the tools there for easy access. Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. Sounds like a good idea. Okay, I think I'll call it here. There's someone to raid, right? Let me see. There's someone to raid, right? Come on. Who are we raiding? Albert, eh? Oh, Albert's around. Let's raid Albert. Albert. Okay, sounds good. Yay, thanks again for the raid, Titan. Thank you so much, man. Thank you, everyone. So I'll end it here. I'll be back again tomorrow to continue working on my game. And that's it. So I will now run the outro, and then we will raid Albert, aka Hyrealism, right? That's how his ID is spelled. What's my raid message? I have no raid message. Your room was way messier just a year ago, but then decided to go all out, improving your daily tasks to get more work done. Nice. Good for you. Looks fantastic. Okay, thank you everyone. Thanks for hanging around. I'll see you all. Bye bye. We will raid very soon.